All right, guys, I just wanted to do a quick review on the FATORRI Industrial Console Table. As you can see, I'm doing the entire setup, and it actually didn't take that long considering how big the item is. One thing that I want to put out on this part of it is just how well that whole frame is. It is a great iron frame, and it's super strong to hold all of this item up. I love how well the wood is as well. All these drawers, like I said, look at how good quality they are. And here's the finished product just so you can see it once it's all put together. Like, very, very beautiful waterproof material on this. What I love about this second layer is that you can actually adjust it. So that's very cool. You can even remove it if you have like some bigger items. These drawers right here are super handy. They each can hold up to about 50 pounds each. So that is super awesome. We do have ours in our entryway, which is why we have a couple candles on there. But you can decorate this in just about any room. Beautiful, high quality console, 10 out of 10.